Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily Hessler. For you today I have a card featuring two stamp sets from Trinity Stamps. One of them is called Mr. Snailman and the other one is called Hopeful Florals. And both of these two stamp sets are a little bit smaller, and that means that the price point of these sets are also a little bit less. So that is something if you are on a strict budget. These are two stamp sets that you will get a lot of use out of, but is a little bit less expensive, I would say. So I started off with a watercolor piece that I had die cut out of with some stitched frame here, and then I'm going in with a distress ink called Stormy Sky, and I'm just doing an ink smooshing technique here, and then I create some splatters as well. I'm heat setting my piece between all of the layers just to make sure that I like how it turns out, since the colors are softening a little bit when I am heat setting them. So here you can see I actually went ahead coloring in and die cut all of my images out, and you can see similar videos where if you look at the other videos here at our channel, you will see similar projects featuring both of these stamp sets. You can see how you can color them in, but I just left that part out since I wanted the focus to be on the card design and not on the coloring. Since I'm no expert at coloring, I just picked some soft spring colors to go ahead with this card. And I also grouped together some of the smaller flowers here just to create some interest. And this stamp set is one of my most used stamp sets. I love these smaller flowers that you can cluster together and create like small embellishments with, and that is what I did for this card. And you can see I also went ahead and die cut a vellum heart just to have some more interest between the background and our focal images here. I foam mounted all of our images, and then we are gonna play around with the placement of all of this. It's a little bit of a fumbling here, but I like it in the end how it turned out. And my thought was that I was gonna cut down this heart and all the parts that hangs over. I'm sorry. But when I went to adhere all of this, you will see that I actually really like the vellum heart hanging over the edge of the white piece onto the card base here, the gray card base. I also cut out the small sentiments snail mail just to create a little bit more interest here, and I also foam mounted this little panel on top of our card base. So this was pretty much it. I will go in with some embellishment, and I will use a pack called Love is in the Air, and that is just the cutest embellishments pack from Trinity Stamps. It has all of these beautiful pinks and pearlescent, nearly I would say, of sequins, and I just picked some of them that complemented the colors of our card. I went in with a sparkling pen as well on the flowers and the letters, and that was it. I hope you liked this card. If you did, please give this card a thumb up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!